Have you ever felt tired of manually designing logos, banners, posters, or even thumbnails for your videos? Sometimes, you just want a quick and easy way to create something impressive without spending hours on design. Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the top AI tools that can help you create stunning images with text effortlessly. And at the end, we'll compare and decide which AI is truly the best. Let's dive in and explore together. And now, we will use a prompt to create a logo with text to test each AI tool. Our prompt is a modern minimalist logo with the text "Creative Minds" and a small icon that represents creativity and innovation. Let's see how the AI tools handle this prompt. The first AI I want to introduce to you is Ideogram AI. This is a powerful tool specifically designed for creating images with text accurately. Ideogram AI allows you to effortlessly combine text and images to create unique and creative designs. Now, we'll test the prompt to create a logo using Ideogram AI. I'll copy the prompt we created earlier into the prompt box. With a few settings like the 1:1 aspect ratio and the auto color palette, let's hit Generate and see what results we get. The generation is complete, and Ideogram AI has created several logo variations. The AI handled the text integration beautifully, ensuring proper grammar, clean fonts, and well-placed icons. It's impressive how smoothly the text fits into each design. I personally think the first logo is the best. It has a modern, minimalist design with an orange light bulb icon symbolizing creativity. The layout is simple yet professional and easily recognizable, making it suitable for various types of brands. The second AI I want to introduce to you is Colos AI. This tool stands out because it's the first AI capable of creating stunning images with text in both English and Chinese. Let's see how well it performs with our prompt and how it integrates text into the final image. I've just entered the prompt, and now we'll see how Colos AI works its magic. The text in Colos AI is clear and bold, delivering a strong visual impact. However, the integration feels a bit stiff, lacking some flow between the text and design. Overall, it's a solid choice for quick, clean visuals with attention-grabbing fonts. Next up is a name you're probably familiar with, Leonardo AI. This tool has made waves in the world of design, with its impressive ability to generate detailed, high-quality text and image combinations. Let's see how Leonardo AI performs with our prompt and how it handles integrating text into the image. We're going with the Leonardo Phoenix preset, known for its bold, eye-catching visuals that make text pop. It's perfect for creating striking images where the text truly shines. We'll go with a 1:1 aspect ratio for a balanced design and generate 4 variations for more options. Let's copy our prompt into the prompt box. Now, let's click Generate and see the results. Leonardo AI does a great job with clean, bold text, ensuring it's sharp and easy to read. The integration is smooth, but the designs could be more dynamic for more creative text-based projects. That wraps up our look at some of the best AI tools for creating images with text. Each tool has its own strengths, but the choice is yours depending on your style and needs. Let me know in the comments which one impressed you the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and AI tools in the future. See you next time.